Hello everyone, I am S. Venkatesh. I completed my doctoral degree at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University under the supervision of Dr. S. Palanivelan, Professor and Head, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. Here I would like to present my topic on monitoring of drought for northeast monsoon over different agroclimatic zones using standardized precipitation index, Tamil Nadu, India. In recent years, drought studies attained more concentration because of climate change and global warming. Tamil Nadu experienced one of the worst drought in the year of 2016, so that improved drought warning and assessments are required to prepare for advanced intimation and to escape from drought. In this slide, I would like to explain my study area with the objective. Tamil Nadu state is located in the southernmost part of Indian peninsular region. Here the physiography of Tamil Nadu is blessed with 7 agroclimatic zones. In Tamil Nadu, the northeast monsoon season of October to December is the chief rainy season for this subdivision with 48%, around 447.4 mm. In this study, SPI was computed for the time scale of 1 month interval. For that, historical daily rainfall data were obtained for the period of 1980 to 2017 to calculate SPI. So, from this SPI calculation, depending on the SPI, the drought begins when the SPI value is equal to or below -1.0 and ends when the value is positive. So here the drought monitoring calculation and the classifications are explained. Finally, during the 2015, this year is extremely wet year, so majority of the zones showed from mildly dry to normal condition as per the SPI classification. For 2016, Tamil Nadu experienced worst drought year, hence there was a deficit in rainfall departure according to the SPI values, and it was found that extremely dry conditions were prevailed. You could see many of the places are in red color. It shows the severe dry to extremely dry categories. And finally, for 2017, mildly dry conditions were found in majority of zones as normal year. Here I would like to conclude. In the study, after calculating the SPI at 1 month time scale using 365 meteorological station in India for northeast monsoon from 2015 to 2017, the main findings were as follows. Positive SPI values of greater than 1.0 were recorded with normal and extremely wet in 2015. Then there were negative less than -0.99 for the year of 2016, resulting in mildly dry to extremely dry condition that referred to stressed vegetation due to the lack of soil. Thank you.